This is the Honors Algebra 2 quiz on 2.2 to 2.4 linear equations and functions. And this is what we call a K problem, where we're trying to solve for K. So I'm given these 2 points. That's 1 point, and that's another point. And I'm also given that the slope of the line that goes through those 2 points is perpendicular to the line that goes through these 2 points. So I know I need to start with finding my slope if I want to be able to find my value of K. And the only 2 real points that I have are these 2 right here. So I'm going to find the slope there. And I have 5 minus 3 over negative 4 minus 2. So y2 minus y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So that gives me 2 over negative 8, over negative 6, sorry, which is equal to negative 1/3. Now, I was told that my line with the k's is perpendicular to this line, which means that the slope of the line that I want is the negative reciprocal of negative 1/3, which would be positive 3. So that's the slope that I'm looking for. So now let's use my points. I'm going to do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So I'm going to do negative 4k plus 1 minus, and I use parentheses, k plus 3, so that way I keep my negative signs in check, divided by k plus 2 minus 2k minus 1. So that's going to be the slope of my k line, like Al K line, is equal to 3. Okay, let's do a little bit of work on this. Negative 4k plus 1 minus k minus 3. So I'm distributing my negative sign here. Divided by k plus 2 minus 2k plus 1 is equal to positive 3. Simplify a little more. Negative 4k and negative k is negative 5k. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Divided by, well, I have k minus 2k, that would be negative k, and 2 plus 1 plus 3, and that is equal to 3, or I'm going to say 3 over 1, just to make it more visible how I'm cross-multiplying. So if I cross-multiply, I'm going to get 1 times negative 5k minus 2, so I'm going to get negative 5k minus 2 is equal to negative 3k plus 9. Now let's solve for k. I think I'll move my 5k over to the right, so I'm going to have, well, let's just do it here, plus 5k plus 5k. So this gives me 2k plus 9 equals negative 2. And that gives me, subtract 9 from both sides, I have negative 11 equals 2k. So k equals negative 11 halves. And that should be my answer to this problem.